Hello there. Thank you for taking a moment to watch this video, and on this specific training, I want to let you know about an update that we recently made regarding our integration with Salesforce. Many of you who are using PhoneBurner with Salesforce are also recording your live calls. As you can see here on the screen, I've got a call in session and it's being recorded. However, in the past, those recordings were only accessible within the PhoneBurner UI. Our latest version of the PhoneBurner app in the Salesforce App Exchange allows you to actually start sending those recordings to Salesforce on the call activity that we create after each call. Let me show you how this is done. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this dial session. And the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to the Salesforce App Exchange and update to the latest version of the PhoneBurner app, and that is version 4.11. So let me just show you that. All right, so here you can see the latest version of the app is 4.11, and you'll just need to go ahead and install that and update your current version of the PhoneBurner app. Once you've installed the latest version of the PhoneBurner app in Salesforce, we need to know what field you want that recording to be stored in. And that's done by getting the field name from Salesforce and adding that to PhoneBurner. From your Salesforce account, you're going to go to Setup. From Setup, you're going to go to the Object Manager. And from the Object Manager, you're going to go to the Activity Object. Go ahead and open that up and click on Fields and Relationships. If you don't currently have a field that you want to store these recordings in, you will need to create a field for this. Now, I'm not going to walk you through how to create a field. Now, I've already got a field created. In fact, I've got two, just so that we can talk about different field types. And so the first one here is PB call recording. You'll notice that this one is a URL type field. And then I've got another one that is PB recording text, and it is a text type field. Now, what's the difference? Let's jump over to an activity that has been logged. If you create the field as a URL type, you will have a clickable link on that activity. If you create it as a text type, it will just be text. So you'll have to actually copy and paste this if you want to listen to it or anything like that. So I do recommend that you create the field as a URL type field, but totally up to you how you want to do that. Once you've identified the specific field that you want to use, go ahead and select that field name. And we're going to copy that. Then we're going to jump over to PhoneBurner. In the PhoneBurner admin account, we're going to click on our initials or picture in the upper right-hand corner. We're going to go down to Integrations. From Integrations, we're going to click on Salesforce. And on the Salesforce integration page, we're going to scroll down and you'll see this option called Call Recording. You're going to paste that name in that box and save. Once you do that, moving forward, every call you and your team make using PhoneBurner from Salesforce will include the call recording link on the activity that we create in Salesforce. So anyway, thank you for taking a moment to watch this video. I hope this helps you and your organization get more done in less time using the power of PhoneBurner. Thanks again, and happy dialing.